Yakni benta jongga kubor la wanraj pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Hadirin ke review meeting ke belalong hene ke sengi ke khatnyo tore ujeliu ka sarkar jela ka lapen bana bakan Shah Noh ban Plie ya ki restoran ki saloon bat ki beauty parlor na do ka arpo atre ujeliu araja arpo usembut menteri rombak ke jela meglia uba preston tensong ula pentip ru baki restoran ki badan haki surok ba ne national highway kendang khang suam uba preston ulaya thu ru baka talak koi ka khia kan sapenmi ya ki SOP bat ki kendon habaide baka jingple ya ki restoran saloon bat beauty parlor hakini khindiat sngim.
See, number one is today we decided today in the review meeting that restaurant and beauty parlors, saloon and barber shops will start reopening up from the 22nd June 2020 in the entire state. Reopening up of restaurant and beauty parlors, saloon, barber shops will start from 22nd June 2020. But, big but is there, but restaurants located all along the national highway, still has to remain closed. As far as restaurants located in the national highways.
Halor kajing septing ya kajing Plie ya kayodo uba preston tensong ula pentip bana kisan hajatli tam kidukan hayodo tang si hajar aspa arpo atli kinyo Plie da ki pali bat kajing Plie kidukan kan long kumba sauspa tli ha kasisni uba preston ula ongru bakane kanum dan jingma namar kanum dan palat kajing e bon pa.
The details of how to start reopening up has been entrusted to the Deputy Commissioner. And as I said to you, out of 5,000 plus shops that we have till today within the Yodu, only 1,222 more or less is allowed to open, and that also on rotational basis. When we calculated yesterday in the review meeting, well, it comes to only maybe roughly 400 shops in a day. So if it is 400 shops in a day, you tell me where is the question of risk? We don't have much risk. The rush will not take place much, because we will make sure that every day only 400 shops is open on rotational basis. So we request once again, I think even Honorable MLA should not get confused that we are equally concerned about this. It does not mean that we just open up blindly, but after taking due consultation, after taking due consideration from all factors, we decided to start reopening up from 22nd 6th 2020.